Hello everyone, I am Haruhiko Inubo, a specially appointed professor in the Antioxidant Research Division at the Life Science Research Center of Gifu University. In my laboratory, we study the process of the body rusting or oxidative stress. We broadly research how to suppress oxidative stress and what kinds of diseases this can help treat. I will now introduce a part of that research. Vascular dementia presents symptoms similar to those of Alzheimer's disease. However, dementia with Lewy bodies has slightly different symptoms. Yes, that's right. In other words, it's a bit different. Symptoms that combine involuntary movements, like those seen in Parkinson's disease, with dementia appear in this type. Yes, in fact, it's said that the causes of dementia with Lewy bodies and other types of dementia are different. For Alzheimer's disease, for example, oxidative stress is considered to be a major cause. Amyloid beta protein is not a direct cause. It's one type of waste that accumulates in dementia, and since there are many kinds of waste, even if you only eliminate amyloid beta, dementia will not improve. Therefore, focusing only on amyloid beta or considering it as the cause was itself a mistake. Since this varies from person to person, I can't give a definitive answer. For that, I recommend consulting a dementia specialist. They have developed dementia. What that means is that the nerve cells in the brain have stopped functioning, so as dementia symptoms progress, more and more of the brain's main important nerve cells stop working. Once that happens, it's almost impossible to restore them to their original state. Therefore, when someone is on the verge of developing dementia or when symptoms have just started to appear, the only effective approach is to use methods that slow its progression. Right now, that's the only option we have. In other words, the brain's nerve cells. Once they have degenerated and stopped functioning, it's already too late. Please keep that in mind. In other words, an early diagnosis of dementia means that from that point on, steps can be taken to prevent the symptoms from worsening. You can avoid the worsening of symptoms. For example, if someone has high blood sugar and diabetes, measures can be taken to lower their blood sugar to prevent the diabetes from getting worse. For people who drink a lot of alcohol, simply stopping drinking can reduce oxidative stress and help prevent the progression of dementia. So, making an early diagnosis and stopping the progression early, this is really the only method we currently have.